Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome to the channel. Now I've got some really exciting news to tell you about Rollercoin. Okay, so as you see this week, there is this added. Oh, this banner, 3 out of 11 weekly quests. Now everyone gets this. This is the new block rewards. Well, one of them. There's going to be a lot more coming soon. And this is the first of many. Okay, so what's this? It will give you 15 doji once you've completed it. So, what do you have to do? You've got to complete 11 weekly quests. And you're like, oh no, I've got to do 11 weekly quests. I struggled with 10. Well, don't be afraid. It's exactly the same, and here's why. So, you'll do all these quests here. You'll complete all 10 as you usually do. Make 100 merges and crafts. Some people find this difficult. All you have to do is go over to the parts section over here. And you go over to your parts and you see you merge them up to 100 times, and that'll do your weekly quest. I do 20 a day because it's easier, and you get the parts from buying the part cases every day, so it's a lot easier. So you do that 100 times and you complete that quest. Hey, okay, 15 games, 75 games, easy enough to do. Weekly here, there it is. Yep, so you got to play games for 5 days, no problem. 5 tasks. Now some people struggle with the tasks. It should be okay if you're in, I can't guarantee anything, but if you go over to here and you go over to task wall, okay, so I've already done the survey for today. But for me, I find out whenever I do one survey, and even if I fail, which I try and fail because they take too much of my time doing these surveys, so I try and fail the first one. Maybe not the best strategy, but when I fail, I get a 0.01 RLT bonus, which is not a lot, but it completes my quest for the daily quests and adds 1 to the weekly quests, you know? So yeah, so I'm up to 4 out of 5 now. So tomorrow, when they reset, I'll be able to do it and fail it and get the 5th one straight away. 175 games, 15 part cases. Yep, open them up. Yep, 35 daily quests. Yeah, you'll carry on doing that if you're doing all the daily quests every day. Make a purchase from the weekly offer. Now, I don't do this one. People have told me it's beneficial to do it, and it's cheaper and it's worth it, and they've got some really good miners on the weekly offer sometimes, but I don't do it. I'll just show you where the weekly offer is. So the weekly offer is here. This is the weekly offer. So it's got these types of miners, which are really good, and people do this to complete their quests of the weekly ones. So I don't do that. In fact, I do a cheeky. I actually take all my miners off this mining rig right now, which is the rack, which is the Hashier rack, which goes for almost 30 RLT. So I sell it for, yeah, just a little below that, a little below 25 RLT. I wait till it's sold, and once it's sold, I immediately buy it back, to which then it costs me about 1 RLT to do, and I've almost completed my quest of buying at least 30 RLT a week of miners and stuff, and this counts as well. So I have 25, and then the rest I buy in parts and stuff. So that solves this I've done it already. Look, spent 30 RLT tokens and get 150 RST reward. I usually found that one difficult because I'm not putting any money into it. I'm just playing the game and I'm accumulating and doing all the strategies. So yeah, that's how you do that one. Make 100 merges, easy enough. Told you about that. Make a purchase from the weekly offer. I don't do that one. 20 daily quests, easy. Merge or craft any miner. Now this week I actually, real quick, I actually made this one, the Velociraptor, which is also new this week. So this is using all the seasonal, like from the past seasons, they had eggs and stuff like you see here, and all these tiny miners that are worth like near enough nothing. Well, this season they're bringing it back, and as you can see, they're using the little egg from the previous season to create this Velociraptor. Now I made this because I thought it was cool. I've got now the Velociraptor right here. Hey, perfect. So that's the second new thing. They are also doubling the block rewards over the coming weeks or so. Right now, they've increased the block rewards by about 25% for most coins. Not RLT and not RST, but the rest. They've increased block rewards by 25% permanently. So you'll always be able to get 25% more, which is pretty awesome. Yep, and that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. And of course, if you're new to the channel or new to this game, feel free to click my affiliate link in the description, which will help me and also help you because it gives you 1,000 free Satoshi. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.